This is a series I'm doing called French Bulldog. Because I do a lot of these zines and I do sketches, I focused on one of them, the French Bulldog, and I decided to make a series and see how the variations of paint could play across this puppy's face. I first make a clay mold, then I cover it with papier-mâché. When the papier-mâché is dry, I pry it off. What do you think of my dog heads?
They're weird-ish.
Do you like them?
Kind of.
What kind of dog do you think you want?
The Australian sheepdog.
What about a corgi?
Yes.
I say no to both those dogs.
What? You like Australian sheepdog?
I do. I'm using Posco markers and gouache acrylic paints. They're made as individual wall hangings that can hang from a tack. Depending on the paint scheme, it might look like a bunny or a cat. What do you think I should do with the dog heads?
Make a body, and then maybe people will compliment it, and then people may not dislike it, like mommy, and then people may fart on it.
That's Blue, my art dealer.
You make too much art. Do you ever take a break?
Okay, I gotta make a plug here. My new film, Man in Camo, is out now where you can stream, rent, and buy movies. Please go check it out, write a review, and share with your friends. Small independent films like this live and die with the word of mouth. So please, write a review and share with your friends.